Hello, Sally. How are you doing today?
Hello, Karen. I have a lot to accomplish today.
What do you have to do?
I have a lot of work to do, like doing laundry, as well as vacuuming the whole house and cleaning the kitchen.
That's a lot of work to accomplish. Why don't you start doing some of it tomorrow?
My mother will visit me tonight. I need to clean up before my mom comes.
I got it.
She likes a clean and tidy home.
I get what you're saying. My mother is also incredibly tidy and well organized.
I should have begun a few days ago, but I was too busy with work.
Why isn't your husband assisting you?
He did assist me. Yesterday he mowed the yard, cleaned all of the bathrooms, and set up the guest room.
Wow, he accomplished a lot as well.
Now I also need to buy some supplies.
What a hectic day. Do you need any help from me?
No, that's okay.
I'm not really busy after work today. I can help you.
So can you help me buy food? I have listed all the necessary foods.
Sure, I'll do it after my shift is over.
Thank you so much. You are so nice.
We are a neighborhood. Don't be so formal.